Hello, Assalamu alaikum, students of class 9th. Hope you are fine. Okay, students. तो यहाँ से we are discussing graphs, last time graphs for we discussed last time graph for uniformly accelerated motion. Okay, students. तो ये आज हम करेंगे draw this last time graph for non-uniform accelerated motion. Non-uniformly accelerated motion हम discuss करेंगे graph. So already we know that uniformly non-uniform accelerated motion means when the velocity of the object changes by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time. Then it's called, it is said to be non-uniformly accelerated motion. When the velocity of the body changes by unequal amounts, that's velocity increase or decrease by unequal amounts in equal intervals of time, we say the body is said to be non-uniform accelerated motion. Okay, यहाँ मैंने दो graphs plot किए, graph है, this graph and this is velocity time graph. This is velocity time graph. It shows velocity time graph that represents the motion of object. This is velocity time graph that represents the motion of object whose velocity is decreasing with time. यहाँ पर इसकी velocity है, यहाँ पर है ये velocity decrease हो रही है with time, but it's not uniformly decreasing. Okay, students, this is velocity time graph. Which velocity time graph? This figure shows the velocity time graph of an object whose velocity is decreasing with time. Okay, and another figure, this figure B, मैंने लिखा figure B, यहाँ पर है figure B. This is a velocity time graph. This figure shows the velocity time graph, of an object represents the velocity time graph. ठीक है, velocity time graph that represents the non-uniform variation of velocity. This figure represents the non-uniform velocity of non-uniform variation of velocity with time. यहाँ पर देखो velocity increase हो रही यहाँ तक, फिर velocity decrease हो रही, उसके बाद फिर velocity increase और फिर decrease. So this is non-uniform velocity of object with time, and this is the graphs. This is the graph. This is the velocity time graph of object in non-uniform accelerated motion. Students, hope you understand this. This is the graph, but this is non-uniform. This is non-uniform. This velocity is decreasing, but not uniformly decreasing. And this is the nature of the graph. And this is that the slope is different. When we plot the velocity time graph for uniform, we obtain different slopes. We obtain different slopes. Variation. We obtain this non-uniform accelerated motion. Velocity can have any slope. It can have any slope. Okay, students. So this is the graph. This is the graphical representation of velocity time graph for non-uniform accelerated motion. Hope you understand this graphs. Okay, यहाँ पर मैंने लिखा भी है figure A shows the velocity time graph that represents the motion of object whose velocity is decreasing with time, and figure B, that this figure shows shows the velocity time graph that represents the non-uniform variation of velocity, of variation with time. Okay, students, thank you.